In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Base44 project to GitHub. We'll walk through the process inside Base44 from opening the correct project to accessing the GitHub connection option. This is a useful workflow if you want to manage your project code in GitHub, keep a version history, or prepare your app for collaboration and deployment outside the editor. To begin, go to Base44 and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to make sure you're on the main area where your projects are listed. Starting from the right place helps avoid confusion, especially if you have multiple apps in your workspace. Next, on the left-hand side of the screen, select the project you want to transfer. This is important because Base44 may contain several projects, and you'll want to be certain you're opening the exact one you plan to connect to GitHub. If your project names are similar, it's a good idea to double check before moving forward. After selecting the project, open it inside the Base44 app editor. This is the main working environment for that app where you can view and manage its structure and settings. Once the editor loads, you're in the right place to access the project level options related to integrations and exporting. From there, navigate to your app's dashboard. The dashboard is typically where you'll find higher level controls and management settings for the project rather than the day-to-day editing tools. If you don't immediately see it, just look around the main project interface until you reach the dashboard view. When you're on the dashboard, move to the top right toolbar and click the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional actions that aren't displayed directly on the main screen. It's a common place for settings, advanced options, and external connections. So if you're ever looking for project actions in Base44, this is a helpful menu to remember. In that menu, click the GitHub connection option. This is the step that begins the handoff from your Base44 project to GitHub. Once selected, Base44 will guide you into the connection flow for linking your project with a GitHub repository. As a quick tip, before you continue with any connection prompts, make sure you're signed in to the correct GitHub account in your browser. That can save time and help prevent linking the project to the wrong repository. And that's how to get to the GitHub connection for transferring your Base44 project. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be ready to continue the GitHub setup process smoothly.